Well, we'd better be heading back.
Anything wrong?
Isn't it raining over there?
Wow, it is. It could arrive here soon, so let's hurry back.
Yeah.
Ah! Whoa, it's raining. I wonder if they're okay. Still, taking a hot spring trip together right out of the blue? That's kind of wild. Those two have crazy chemistry. Well, it might be just right for my block out of a brother. I'll get it all out of OTI-san afterwards. How far are they gonna go, I wonder? Ouchie! Sorry, now that the rain has started falling. Thank goodness for this bus stop.
More importantly, how's your ankle?
It's nothing serious. I won't be running anywhere anytime soon, though. Seems like it's going to continue for a while, huh?
Our hotel's about 200 meters away.
I wish we could just run over there somehow. 'Cause I have a change of clothes back there.
All right!
Huh? Ah!
Sorry to make you wear my hoodie, but it's better than nothing! I'll get you back there in a flash!
Whoa. Sawatari-kun's making me feel so lightheaded.
We made it! You can take that off now.
I feel like I'm gonna go crazy. I'll wash it first and give it back to you later.
You don't gotta do that.